Assembly office.
We Ukraina eba be discuss ana ebe bamu a yeah e hore bye na evidence there na ye dey to back for the same no and say once yeah that's so eba ala fm ko e dey political party bi ana say an individual bi epese sebi say ne mansini for anhunu na body bonti body eno be kwa kwaji credit dia and then misre say wo be apologize ama
Why apologize?
the obi a wo di credit bia wa apologize emma the Ajuma.
In this case, you are talking about Kwabena Donkor.
I didn't mention.
No, because indirectly, Honorable Era, indirectly last week, and the last 2 weeks, who emphasized it, said,
yes,
party be at the credit.
Exactly.
And the leader of that party is Honorable Dr. Kwabena Donkor.
He's not the only leader. I'm talking.
And as it stands now, Honorable Era, let's establish this part clearly.
Okay.
Honorable Kwabena Donkor and the credits. I know kind of correct.
What did you?
Me say on the credit. Of course, we say political party be the credit.
Exactly.
And the leader of that party and the credit.
Say political party no eni no ho a me say won ko apologize Emma Honorable Joshua Poku Abonkra.
So indirectly you are saying Kwabena Donkor should apologize to Poku Abonkra.
Say na wo kan dia na say wo.
No, enye me na me kan say but me part who part say.
Na me nim ni
say.
say.
Empa. Honorable Abonkra correct.
Na nim say me nya ntie de say. Letter be free. Honorable Dr. Kwabena Donkor asoe. The communicators edin na
one letter no
ma hunu de
but what it
ma say wo no mbom na free abai mu a entina ye friend na den e baaye na enam Honorable Joshua Poku Abonkra so na project no baaye sa na me tie ye se o mu nam ho e kan entina me isi su se eye no kura se sa circulation no e ko so de a safo no enye ntenten so o mu pɛ Yakopon abufuo beba o mo so de a o mu ko paacho Yes.
Oh no, I'm going to buy it.
Yes.
Okay.
One na akɔfa the project.
Okay.
Now, simple question. So what aban NDC since 92 and yanya MPs a omo ye NDC. MPs a omo ye NDC. Enye fere any wo say. Gwantimi anya hwe ne wo beye ye akoko bu. Na and there sebi small boy danger. Edi a me de friend no small boy danger kana no ntankwa ya fi manya azafi. Moko nkiti no ano o hye chain moko akese no. Na me bon. Akọ wuram agu nkotodwe wo mpanyifo anim. Aso no ko bi ene ne de edi kochia mpanyifo ama wo hu se akwa no obo no hu de.
Indirectly you are saying that Honorable Abonkra and go be na kwajiaba.
Manka se wo de ko bi.
Also what go be in the fire.
Project even this year kofa ba yenko na yenko print letter immediately na enfa nantu krom enfa gidi ye krom na se se be ye bidi ya ye hu eni ye nkrofo abros
Oh no, Fabisi.
na enye
Okay.
enti me nuanu mu NDC for sa letter no se eye no kre pa se e koso sa de a ende wo mu kopa Honorable Joshua.
Honorable, from the NPP, Muria project, a project that is not yours, Muria, and you are stealing the project. Project will be an NPP project, Muria project in our constituency.
Matters arising. Sa issue we no. Media me hu say hu hia. Because ono an kasa no, oni basis a wo de gina kasa. Seka ye betina radio sise ye beka atisa no nko a. Ka radio station we anhwe ya ebehye. Asem a sebe nkwala asam ebia mate wo te ho ya bisa wo say letter no wo hu ne ye. What is obi ka wo say wo ntie ye nkọ wo wunnim na wunnim a wo sese no wunnim ni pa obaka pa to bo wunnim ne ye nkọ na to. What is asem we be that?
But Honorable Monse,
Debbie, ma'am, I'm coming to his own words. Secretary, yes, sir, as secretary of the party, if you are talking about issues, you should have evidence to prove, say, let away your fake, let away any data, as I say, but let away your say. Honorable Commander, you be a project. Papa no obiara de ne ho adanse ne wo beye minua since friends 2012 papa we aba besinne 80 years mu na ye koi the project aye ye kase ye bono ba ko a a change district assembly dia waye the whole district assembly dia waye
but is
2012
is this a complex and not
me Chantra yenya about 3 GCs and 1 MP but 3 GCs no project nakaboma enduru ne de onu ni papa no common fund ne 10% of the total common fund number assembly but it me through me bi kra na assembly no kra sa bono de no busia. And the records are there. Until later no can say a circulating. Later near no pray and his own words should I say NDC 4C. Komnando Kwane initiated the project, the process. On say Komnando Kwana ABC and OC.
So you accept that there is a letter like that in circulation?
Yes, there is a letter, and coming to say we will discuss this topic. I would have brought that letter.
Okay.
In your own way, we'll see letter no, because letter mean didn't this say Ghana ha institution be ewo wa ubesuo ko bi ne ba yere komo mu without any letter. Na Oma Sole aba be ye dia open. And obviously you have implicated your DC. Say waji letter no wan tro letter bia dia wa ye no say waso ko bi. O tell say ko bi e na yesi ye wo kro na ba ye mpwanche judge for Supreme Court judges. AGG ya pamo mu. Enti say o ka una wo ka bedia wo pa kire no no say udisi du ko bi me ba yere no ko braibo ana ya besi amount. Into the each of this assembly.
But you are confirming that there is a letter like that in circulation.
There is a letter.
And are you saying, sir?
The letter was
Assembly Complex, Assembly Complex, Kwabena Donkor initiative. Is that correct?
The letter was saved to the Ministry of Local Government under the current administration and your previous administration. So
under the
previous your platform, you go to
and your previous administration, current administration.
Yes. And now, Honorable Dr. Kwabena Donkor throw letter no come a local government
initiating the Assembly Complex project.
Yes. Please, we are talking about recourse. On this particular platform, and I move us to Honorable Dr. Kwabena Donkor. And now all you wait to say, Sa Patake Siwe and Fata this district. Enti watu wana mu edru pempensobi. Enti biana regional minister. The then in the first Asumachreme. Ano oba akroma. Onu sukura ba ye no. And we confirm say ampa they are going to build a story building. Are you getting it? Enti ye can say NDC na AC.
But
Yen can say NDC and AC. I don't have that interest.
But Mona Moshas here.
But
Mona initiative. Mona Mama project neighbor.
Edukoma minister of local government. Say yeah, Papa, and I say me bra penny owura esu to one and more fine. Because development is continuous. Development is togetherness. Omumpenyi mfome
This letter I have is dated the 28th of November 2018. I'm say dated that kratano sono. And I'll say, dear Honorable Minister, heading here, Pro East District Assembly Office blog. Now I read the details of that letter. I'll try to come out a local government, a ministry. To the Pro East District Assembly in the ministry scheme of providing appropriate office accommodation for selected districts in the country. The then Pro District Assembly, established in 2007 out of the then Atebubu district by the government of His Excellency President Kufuor and headquartered in Yeji, has been housed in temporal accommodation appropriated from the Department of Fisheries. The records indicate that a contract was awarded for a permanent multi-story office block in 2007, but the contractor died when work was at the foundation stage. The assembly is presently being ejected from the Department of Fisheries facility to make room for a fisheries project. The people of Pro East will be most grateful if the Pro-East request is treated as a special case and added to current government plans to house new district assemblies. Your Honorable Era, this letter is from Kwabena Donkor Ankasa office to a Ministry of Local Government.
Very good.
And it's 28th of November 2018. More government in about power.
What me I say was evidence based. Me boa. Me can was say me need evidence. Nanka say e be kan.
And omo copy. That's how maybe e be yan copies no. Honorable Minister Brong Ahafo, Regional Coordinating Council. The District Chief Executive, Pro-District Assembly. I'm saying no so letter no yensa be ka bi. I'm sure say kwa aka isi no wa.
Say who letter no dia. Omo
copy Honorable Minister Brong Ahafo Regional Coordinating Council. Okay, omo copy Honorable Minister. And I'm sure said that no Brong Ahafo Regional Minister. And Brong Ahafo Regional Coordinating Council. So nyane omo copy omo. And the District Chief Executive Pro-District Assembly 2018 now one all.
Now your friend saying Jalula
de all. So I'm sure sir interesting of fast more. To me and lecture you.
Very good. I am it there. Sir, you bet me a letter at Ministry of Local Government. Sir, we here assembly block. Now letter ninti ma assembly block. Na se sebi. No, ye copy personalities, officers, offices, and ministries. Nti what would they letter no echo and would you what? Masa. Yes, I will. I am correct. Sa letter no echo in the name say wope assembly block. Na se letter no correct. Company for Jatu and our Moma dia, and I was saying, no, I can say, and I was saying, would you let her be better me? Say, no, Mobabe Mampono. Honorable copy of woman in me.
Honorable, why are you not crediting Kwabena Donkor to say? Honorable, why are you not crediting Kwabena Donkor to say? Sadly, the swap by the Trima and truck at away. Why are you not also crediting him?
No, I don't want to even regard this as coming from his office.
You don't regard this?
I don't regard it because it is a fallacy. This one should not even occur in our 21st century. Sir, what are you talking about?
Honorable, almost say they have initiated the process.
Master, maybe street light to cry or who minister no. Yenya street light ewo himfa. What you initiative? Am I a wura? So when you are the Akasuaye, what bet now? Who call 8 years or no? And a letter will cry in a pay yank or say, and yet, say, Miss Rob, so one I let away. Ama Crampuna was so bad advice, and yan man and Pukra. Emma Satin Troway MP.
Honorable, this letter has been served to the Regional Coordinating Council.
Exactly.
And I'm sure you are in power.
We are
local government.
Yes. And then
local government ministry.
Question I be saying say no kore pa say one natural letter ya based on letter now what they call an intia. The copy of letter. Ban at least Felix, say who throw letter and mammy, say who pay be na say meji to moi, I'll give you an acceptance letter. Me boa, men throw back. I reply or say yes, we let us say, buy say ya kind, I won't say ya approve.
And you won't accept a letter with cry.
Say exactly.
Won't accept it, but you are not cross-checked from the local government sector.
So I throw cry and identify and do cry. We
cannot establish that. Yet to establish this right now.
So approval letter
when you cross-check from local government authority. Then you cross-check them.
reply.
Once I come, initiative, will you commend him for that? Once I come, no initiative process. Never look at
when project na e ba ya e koso na wa share that project na let a dating so
okay just 2 minutes on the same quick one
me sre me nua baba say sa community we na e be koso e wo ye constituency we mu dia and they are doomed ment na ehwe se obi be kwa koye bibi afi na wo se me na me koye wo mre su kra ye hu hwe anko bo na matimi aye munje no so we are not saying we are breaking it down and establishing a new one munjina so say me waye no say mfata district assembly block that's all.
Honorable Babs, are you running away from your own block? Niamosi mod administration, are you running away from it to go and take this one?
Exactly.
Felix, my catcher say we according to say Pilulu be na yet hey.
Okay.
Una we Pilulu.
Okay. Me I don't see a make case here. Merci. Honorable Comrado, one host to no ha. Ano say sa apata we emfata. Imi amambi onu betu. Amayatme anya nia efata ye no.
Yeah, we have the recordings here that he said he ever said.
Ana onu etro letter edokoye. The district assembly arrangement and I say awarding of contract no. Central government contract say awarded through district assembly processes in fact MP so
FDC in some.
FDC in some.
That is correct.
It is a hotel and I was say entro letter mako na no onuna esese efano so. Okay. Nia esese efano so no. Ano metro copy man.
Talk about you are saying that Kwabna in Ejuma. Is that it? Why any was way?
Why any what one more associate auto? Nia can between the district assembly and the local government ministry. Sir complex buildings or musi a selected communities and a district in Ghana nanka or musi. And now on throw part or say, even though Nanyan come, but consider because the ISA contractor no uvuye entimi anya adwuma and the ISCC no so and fataye and punim me this type of argument and insinuations me we papa no wa ginidi e wo Ghana ha sa like asema wo kan ko probia na hwese umpotam areas ben na yanya lighter esisi amanfo fie nima shrine ebo mu humban asha ye wo kroma ebi mu fie ye du mo chi akosutu o mo okun mu esumnti
no, let's not go there.
No, let me explain. Obi o ha obeka ne trada o limit dia ekom let all the towns, all the districts na hwese umpotam ben na obenya street lighter mumpanyimfo no bi kura wo wa ya bo omufie sodium lighter mamu e shrine e wo area sinchika lighter ye dia si umpotam a e boy humba na jo krono ntino ka ye de ka say ye si street lighter onimba bia sa street light be free.
Some people keep asking and I want to ask you this. Wait just a question and answer that you're offensive. Don't be offended. Is it not also surprising? A member of parliament or just within his first term in office, of course, he's the original minister. Over our table streets now, the road is looking glittering. We had poles, see or light noir. Honorable Kabnadon, power minister, couldn't we have also dressed our road like that? Honorable,
I've just cleared that. Okay, because I call number 1 and I do not cohere. Number 1 and I do not cohere. Number 1. Who can you talk from crowd better, sir?
Me light, but the pole.
And I made you, and I made poles there.
Poles, who drew lining up for Kwanzono. I think it's the modern one, and I'm told say solar related.
Every ministry of what they call it, energy, and for that matter, your time now your power ministry no. Umuwo projects no different contractor biya project oh yeah. For instance, even light poles are here by on say biba dadie, biba wooden. And this is the first time I hear that dear because Honorable Dr. Komna Donko who said jatimi hyehyɛ nti most of the contractors the new contractors yɛdi wɔn ba akyire no yɛde saa ayi no ɛde ma wɔn saa ayi metal poles no ɛde ma wɔn so that contractors wɔn nso yɛ wooden ones no then they will continue with their wooden ones nti sɛ ɔkɔ friend sɛ a table na ɔkɔ ho what do you call it solar lighter. Ubeba yeji no one your sodium bulbs and the sodium bulbs is more costly than any other bulb. Upa go to the market and find out. Sodium bulbs na ye bubo maye wahano. Ebua de eche bulb bia o maimu. Nti upa kobisa mo he. Okay, all right. It is not about the issue say ebia atebo yewe eyewe nti ye quantify the projects a kobna don ko aye na ye so nyem fam bisa say ono o ye regional minister o da atebo no emu dia ni na wate. Okay, all right. Right now let's move to part 2 of this and it's about water. Quite the first when you nsuo especially in the district that's why we are concerned. The last time nsuo no far center na si nsuo no no a very big worry in my right now. So say you're back and forth to be over the past 2 weeks. Me we interact here. You said a different thing about water. And I'm not on quite to any Sudiama district, no. Many areas here. He said an entirely different thing. So no. Come not on cause no hand in any water matter. Water and any can wasn't. Which one are we talking about? Pipe now here to two around. Why would they two? Honorable Boss, I remember one son of my call around. Number who around the side of the story. Yes. Honorable Dr. Kobnado for be for who's. I'm said Dana one minia ewura edium komo wahano. Now Honorable DC earlier on were different station. Emma etiefo say Honorable Dr. Kobnado ko election year who say election na wo to go who's. This year or no project and say contractor who see on an ban. On one material for whom say and the tapes are available. On one material for whom say a election year and Dr. Komna don't go to Bohus. Now secretary on different platforms say and ya who can say a ubino and you will be a wood to.
You might ask this in a two bohu.
That is what Namako is telling me.
No. Then hear him well.
No, I'm saying it's a water project, no.
Who see me buy no me can say Commando one year. And I would buy or no so can say or
water project be so water
project.
And to me for some establish it. What water project are we talking about right now? They are not Commando right now. To be the moment from free.
Namako, and the idea I will want to be our question because last week me buy no. Okay. Me bubo boreholes. You were 2 categories. You were mechanized boreholes and you were hand pumps. Honorable Dr. Komnado ko eye hu adwuma. Enu na me beka ho ase.
Yen ko true mechanized boreholes no. Any pumps na Komnado ko yen hu adwuma no. Yen ko true eno.
Projects are oye no. Every GMPC wo omu project omu ye on water. Enya water alone. Omu what different areas omu ye. Anna Ono is one of the first a friend is saying pioneers omo manage GMPC. Okay, Obia send me a correction says here. Or say Atebubu lighting system no enye solar. A normal lighting way. Thank you very much for the correction. Hi Yanko. Very good. Say GMPC ewo akonya bia at the end of the year no omu take any project bia omu consider nkrofo a omuwo ebia stand and answer omumodi mbo abuama GMPC eduru pepe so a eduru na omuso adia abuo enti honorable Dr. Komnado ko request for boreholes na boreholes no eye 2 categories. Okay, you will mechanized one na ye de pump mixing basis so na ye de polytank asiso na enu obugu polytank mo uba na wa mia na abuogu. Into communities umu be benefit from that mechanized borehole. 1, you were Jakalai. 2, you were Adiara. 3, you were Ponkoma Zongo. 4, you were Parambo Zongo. 5, you were Pobri. 6 yɛwɔ Fantiakra. Then yemra omo amubenya from the hand pumps. Those that will benefit from hand pumps and
okay.
the ones and the
bebu. Omo amenya mechanized, omo ye baako say.
Omo ye baako 6.
Okay.
Ana hand pumps no omo so ye baako 9. Omo so nie ye wo papa yakra. Papa payakra. Kumbekra. Bimakra. Kujokrom. Jemfrano. Kupwa. Kwayase. Kajai, and then Bayanwaya.
Almost a Mako say,
Umuya Baku 9.
Wow,
my mentora de Baku. Kajai Diano, Umutu Yano. Leveler, Umunya, and Suono. And to me, yet hand pump, because in Sono a call from the group hand pump. And to say, ye tuma, Oma contractors no, etuma, honorable Dr. Comnado. Sir, Obepine, now a facano. No, my mechanized are more.
Okay.
Unfortunately, no, now Omono Antimia at the site, and Omokas Asamo. Do Muna Antimia and Tanasi. Until at the operator, Umbetanasi, no, Omad mechanized. Now, Kajia, Eswanya mechanized. Go level no Munya and Suno. I broke the normal leveler is still Umunya for hand pump. Until Kajia, dear no, a barber yet mechanized. Apart from that, repair of boreholes. Repair of boreholes so kujo krom sanyabi. Onya labon cortes. Oye bankama, oye sawaba, oye karanyakra, oye kupua number 1, kupua number 2, and oye chapulumbo unkwanta wa repair omodi. Nti these are the boreholes, and I said this is the water project. Honorable Dr. Comnado oye for now mechanized boreholes ne hand pumps no. Ya toa wie aka say di eba besiso etire no eba besisiso na afi enso estate frem eba.
Okay. All right, Mr. Ra. Ensure project by and I'm also more can one no. Cause right now Comnado is doing a lot of project like he has mentioned. They are in I'm also more can one.
Yeah, they say okay say yemre so ebe two pipes be
yeah.
Na e dey I mean, a pump station, a call, Jackla in Suano. Unfortunately, any animal to me at night, if you're high, I'm on Suabe so our system now, Martin. In fact, no, Yura, Honorable Joshua Kwabonka, as I call crying you, a Kohunu, rural water for community water, and our mobile. Boss no ankasa nye say bia ni office boy bi na wosumai ono ankasa e bai farmers day no na ene no e call number 1 nsua no na omo so wo some water nti yakwohwe ho omo ni ombeye e de koye e na ye firi ho na ye ba ha e be sin call down ho no akwohwe nti ne ho no sense see a omo ba be sesa the entire system na omo afisi the township from Yeji and number 1 Besanya ne issue from tap water from tap system nti eno na ye ka ho asem enye buhu this time around answer na mbekọ.
Are you commending Comnado for the boreholes?
Work and crime me nyam borehole la work and ntimi comment.
Isn't town
say no kre say wa
ebi ma hu omo ye aduma no na nom ka na ba na sia
no MP ni communicators asen your friend say won say ye can ye project we asen similar thing happen ye woni Honorable Masaudu Prime MP what fight e block e dia ko abase no wo say Honorable Comnado ko say wono e na akọ initiate e ma wo set committee e de ko national e be ko akodu ho no na ya flopo na ye MP a flopo ne wɔkaeɛ no ɛyɛ complete ntoro ɛni bia bi na asabeto yɛn nso wɔ ha yi tie bɛsrɛ saa tactics no wakyɛ wɔ politics mu yɛnim but in fact near ye expect to say be benefit free in the
okay.
Then thank God said,
okay,
this time round, Baba Atmi say, sir, boreholes, you know, or more funding no GMPC. The Dynamia say, Sano Crena Daddy, and to me, person baby Sano. Rural electrification air costs to see away, no, and also why I find here because near TN say. Every MP bottom and our more electrify rural communities, and no to and not to her. In fact, near nim Ninani say system be air coso and our project be air coso. Na say MP ewo no bottom kra sika kra wodi ye bibi kra fine and na do ya wo ye ma ne electricity but say aban enso na ya e wo so be ma nkrofo no be hu say yes we every aban ye wo common fan ya che umienu MPs common fan wo ho e na ye wo district common fan so e wo enti say eno so e na wo de ya ma wo mu hu say common fan no ye che mu meme fan no e na me di ye we of course obi a wote ase enim say aban no a wote so no e na ye de e na ye
okay
say wo mre so wo NDC mre so project bi e koso na say enso e ba ye na ye toa so a ma ye hu say efri ha e na beduru ati say sa de wire intentional control letter bi e di na mo say story building no wo na wo ye de wo na wo wako initiate no something like that should happen baby a hypocrisy na ewo enti this time around no rural electrification ma nipa no hu say efri yemre so enti MPP for eba ye no omo so anti anda omo hu say adepa ebeboa nti omo ayede omo atoa so ba se si awokwa na yedine nam ena MP ena MP ena na say MP na na yembi no mu ye ntiase eti adwen so atiase because yenim say ye aban na wo ye den wo ye project to say mu gi eno so credit we don't have to sit down and look at you
quick one
misre menuanu NDC for power say you say power pa e wo Ghana mu a mu na modi power chen obia enti say ende munni adepa bi e kire timamufo a me potena bebe e bo usire mu enyi asem emfa nto omonim say wonni ndase bi emfa enda omo ase a masa enye ntro e no bedi omo
already about no about so Mahama Kwesi Paul Jr. or share from Goyle Filling Station or says loud and clear inside Goyle Filling Station or live on Facebook Asante Avelin or no I Cuba Cuba the Akata and Potem one no or share live on Facebook or say greetings to my dad Nana Kwatna Asante in Yeji he's listening live but please talk about Yeji roads. Thank you very much.
Around yeah danasi wakami bibi kura and there me no ka say at least ye boy who say sa rose you crampo no honorable be ejina mu say ye benya rose at least kakra this year ye be won first phase
okay
now next year me no kan enche bia
me major question me yeah honorable boss rem na me no
only 17 district na ye bo ye hu won de anto mu 2018 no o feli potoa o say o feli poto
but it's honorable Bonkra not working is he not developing the district
common bridge ya siabre common bridge
and when a personal project
the personal project until why you dey see quite
me show no let
project ben ana for more than 6 months.
And that is the question I'll go to area now. Maybe some say. As a project, you know, more project, you know,
toilet.
Projects. It's
toilet.
We are in TM.
Minya nyabutre membesa etiefo say enamrem 21st century afena yesisi toilet yesi abre emu dia na yatimi a complete use yesi abre toilet umunu Gideon estati umu dia ewo this is assembly jam.
But honorable Babs, are you debunking toilets na yesi no?
Gideon
and time you know. Honorable Fixasi, are you saying say toilet na nyana?
21st century anya afena o nam sisi public toilet.
But are you sure so obi ayesi o? Honorable member, are you sure so honorable with due respect? Honorable with due respect, I'll let you talk. We are sure so obi a toilet na ba you are not very comfortable with your comment.
Ko odi sa muano anti friends nsuo mu akọ toilet abontin who appreciate ka wo no ama na si ne dia wo na fie na nsuo to na obura na fie na oye no ho nkama ka dia na ye.
Honorable, let's take baby to say
no
your area ha
memra
na yankasa assembly person mu bo obia with that man.
O mama question be under rural electrification na me ya very important. Media, it is only a confused government and a artisan and what the boy mine. My catcher say you can say you the artisan na ha pro and me continue political parties. But we are based on facts. Honorable Dr. Kobna Donko under NDC, ya mass rural electrification project. Ya award contract ama ya started. And in 2016, yentimi awie and am party no equal opposition. Abai MPP baye no or see oberjem kratamu. I say chrono dream katahihye no proye bia koso a. Wo hwehwe wie no or see chrono bia koso. Enti contract no yento so. And Dr. Komna Donko eduma wura. Ni obo eduma awie na do wonder. Kono see adwuma ra na we see adwuma ra nti wan ye adwuma ra ya wa na see toilet nni a wo ye project a ebo o man enu ana osa free contractors say omo so ana contractors to so sebi o me ma me ni me papa entifie kra na me say rural rectification project enye obi botom enye MP enye DC e botom ti ya kase Komna Donko na ya na che se onu na lobby aba ana oye and it is not under MPP ana sa project asase eye MDC project ana MPP abeto so it's as simple as that menua on roads ye kan bottom seka papa 2016 oyi no bottom seka ama ye upgrade feeder roads ebi ne break and take one ebi ne futu decade ebi ne tonka de friends Kofi Basare to Inchamba Bomodin Road. Oh, and I been a kwan we. But I'm tell me Komna Donko bottom sika kasalo. Is that not there? My project I no bottom sika. Okay. Say who say who know what power. So what this assembly akwa yi this is a concern letter bia watchro memo akwa yi this is assembly common fan akwa ye rules ha kwa yibra. Next week you see. A bit to say, sir, footer container beer, wakoto new books. Yeah, what the buyer, watch it, this, what the education officer watch it, say, a and the bottom seka. A bit to say, science equipment, automa, a friend say, ye senior high, science laboratory equipment, a and the bottom seka. A bit to say, midwifery, about 2 billion. All Ghana cedis, all the bomb, records are there. Eye no bottom sika but electrification project a bit to say there some of these classroom blocks are yesisi no common fund chiefs compound no common fund and common fund no say about 10 million na need there 1 million no but some projects na wa bobo no ayesi a door so chain assembly there no.
Okay, all right, honorable Ebra.
Yes sir.
Adentina mon acknowledge Komna Donko because he's not a DC, he's an MP. His role is not even to do development. Oh. He's supposed to initiate it. That is just his role. I don't think I'm acknowledge what he's doing.
Mr. acknowledgement there. Yes, the man whoever is due.
Okay.
Say a self-atawa. The man was a bonny. But say, oh, quack G will be creditor. I know a high end Minia, ye call, a friend say analysis. Ewa amambu mu say. Minim other places, but for the sake of your friend is saying pro East constituency there. Na say you say and there obi AC toilet to cry nkola dwuma ana near adia ehia na me patch eni na ye nuanu NDC for abum mansini close to 28 years ni ye nyanhunu sa project no bi kura da
era mo projects ni fully uncompleted project.
Yes.
Uncompleted. Almost all my projects in the process. Uncompleted. Yes. Uncompleted. Okay.
But say anka, ye nuanu mo etimi eye bi 28 years we. Eye uncompleted ni bi say aye ba anka ya complete.
But honorable
no.
Yes, I understand.
Exactly.
But the chini public again say Mayanka uncompleted. Police headquarters uncompleted. Court uncompleted.
Very good.
Toilet uncompleted. And why can't we invest in completing at least one?
Exactly. Okay. Na say ya ehun say esi wo say ya wo warishemu say
Debbie yes. If I say be a government akọ another government about one to also.
Na to say wo mu say to say light why ya be to aso wo mo to aso. Ba ye warishemu answer na 2020 be call na wie ye de. Sa projects we nyina wo be hu say na esi ho. So what I say, a functional. And there, Minu can say, what I was say, your district, ranking, performing abysmal.
146.
Very good. And on record, Honorable ED, our first district chief executive, apart from what free so, I buy a free mono. You know, more a buyer, a day, and I. Poto womun na ebeka say womun na atwe ye district we akonechi yemre so na nka nyame aya adum ama ya to aban no so a anka by now e bi ayeji ana pro asa that time anka by now ya dru ya ko enim pa but mo ba ye nchendi obi afa ho MP fa ho kro
no evidence of ye nchendi.
Yes.
Why?
Oh. This is NDC.
And you have not jailed them up to now. Yenchendi our constituency.
One process. Yeah, process.
Make yenchendi our constituency ni mana.
Yenchendi o bibia.
Okay.
Almost the title create new share. Enti minua say pro beto pona me can't for say wo mo fa hope o mo rehemu nyina ento MPP so. Na yenuanu NDC there. Abro a matna adi o ye mansini no enya abro enti se enye nyame na ebeje a na wayi NDC afri yenuanu binum adwen mu ama na omode abeso MPP na yaji your first seat we afri omunsem aye ni yiye sa de se fata masa
all right
yenim next week.
All right.
Then
next week, you can't have development, and you premise for in the constituency, and of course next week you can't basically roads, issue of roads, make infrastructure, 3 major areas, and many Mr. Bombom Baba Williams, and I era bet not senior discuss it. But and a quick one, here you see. Era. Why do you think Honorable Joshua Kwekwe is better than Kwabena Donkwe, so we should give him the opportunity?
Very good. What about so? Nienti Amifi say any MPP for FE say Honorable Joshua Kwekwe and as a fatter say obe handle your seat we no. Ebini say oni ahomaso say adepa ekutawo na se wo hu se sa adepa no ese fata ne constituency a obeba bibu nkotodwe asrewo na wo de ama na wo de abe ma ne constituency unlike ye MP a wono ayese wo buru se ye beka se wono na akọ obi enim se ope bibi ntina so far mu yegotom sika ne gotom sika e wo hemfa.
You see not to see anything
ni efi ya mu na ye wo no ni was a oba ekra was up 4 years na won tell the whole constituency around and then the efi ya mu na ye wo no the seat abaho so up 4 years ya ma 8 years ukoba ya say ensanfa 8 years nka 4 years nka na ni efi ya mu na ye wo no since from 8 yes, I'm far from count and yet 12.
All right.
It is the entire Mima who said, Chief, honorable, you shall go Quabonkra. Yet you know, a dear Nimkaya, Mpuntuma Beba, one far and yen who could say, me pro say, Becassimina Mako, Minister we was shot. Minister way say what to say, Aban way, no,
you think Commander Onko is like that?
His doors are open.
You think Commander Onko is like that?
His doors are open.
You think Commander Onko is like that? You think Commander Onko will be correct?
More to it.
Correct.
You see,
Who is Commander Onko will be correct?
I'm going forward.
Okay.
You see, more to it. You know. Honorable Joshua Bokwabonka will be a Utu Abamanwa, Ubetini Aben. No intermediary.
It want to be man, Dr. Commander Onko, correct?
Me say, Honorable Joshua Bokwabonka will be a Utu Abamanwa, and Cran Crowbet Miadinatia Costrano, I do problem at Tune Obama.
Okay, all right.
Honorable Joshua Bokwabonka will be a Utu Abamano as MPR, Obetimi. Abua Woma, now one your school.
All right.
Obetimi Abua Woma, Ama one your Juma.
All right.
Police.
All right. All right. Thank you. Honorable Babs, why don't go?
That's it. Before me go on, Mamma Asamba.
Okay.
Sir, Abasi secondary project. Mr. Sir, we live as moi. Sir, Mr. 4 year point. A project na NDC yene say oba obesi 200 senior high schools say one community day senior high. Enti honorable Commander Onko, and for that matter the crew is MP LOB, but senior to say this is assembly letter where when the reply is coming, it comes direct to the district assembly because district assembly never take that project. Into assembly letter na buy ana eba assembly ha that time na honorable Opoko ana na ye DC ye obia so no me say ofra baase oh ana manipulations happen no mu change e de call abase to mu change project no call abase no ye di akire honorable Commander Onko ma pro hampanyi for ahimfo. Enti se wote na wo kan ebi ahemfo na obu mu anuntia because ahemfo ne menia omanante ba bi omanante akoduru ote asie ana omukoe enti eho Alex Chireme ne ada mpenyimfo wo ministry ho age atomo se omukura wo another package under the free the community day schools no na ye 2 projects your government of Ghana project and your World Bank project. And a World Bank project no omusia eno staff bungalows nyina eka ho enti se o ko kejeji a odiri bodinka omusi ga ho obehun se ene staff bungalows nyina eka ho enti omusi ka yenga we ni ma abase na yemfa World Bank de no na yemfa nka ho
honorable for me see in 1 minute
ene na eka the 7 projects a yantimi an start ansa na yefiri so dia ye ka no se honorable Dr. Commander Onko seka sa entotoso ene windows ana ka yedi winni aba ka efene say mawonyo wa winni ka honorable yenya Dr. Amua ka wa winni
but we reduce K Onko votes
one reduce per records one reduce e bia one check ye che district no mo
okay
I believe maybe Obenya time.
Next week, yes, next week. There are segments. Until the Mayini next week,
please. These are technical issues we have to not on just hearsay. 2. Honorable Dr. Komna Donko, the only MP. Yet didn't talk so. Ama MPP for Atina radio so Bonadin said MPP about by moi, you better not to. You are vindicating. You are vindicating. Now you want to within MPP.
Okay.
Natural letters and that this circulated say Umudis ya ever appointed.
Honorable Mama Yankola so.
Our issues.
Yankola so.
If we have those things,
all right.
You will be politically no.
All right.
One idea no. Ana wa pre-project. Otumi bo no bottom yisika na wa ye project. Capital project.
Honorable
ya board this. Onu ana ye pia loko. Ye free class 3 and some back AGO. Ye kwa ye nim. Na nya toilet na ye de
95.9 of Amsterdam. Hottest program. Yes, district in Puntio. Yanko line no so kakrana. Yan picky 1 or 2 callers. On the line yan your morning come on. Yeah, I said, okay, good afternoon. Quite unfortunately, we lost him there. Hello, good afternoon. Good evening, baby, I'm free. Quick one, here, too. Okay, all right. Let us see, Papa. Unsuba to me, to me, and Tentam. I'm the network here, very jammed. Hello, good afternoon. Maybe I told away. Yet you, very, very bad network. Quite unfortunately, answer lines no. Oh, Kasawa man area and breaky. It's quite unfortunate lines this why I'm very busy. Oh, picky and breaky. Hello, come on, Yega.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, okay, at you. Okay, all right. Then I'll say hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Never told any. Yes, your boss. Oh, quite unfortunately. Hello. I'm saying I lose our caller no line, so that's unfortunate. I'm saying network now will call no. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you? It's you.
You offer the nature of the said, that the communal street 92, 90 to 4 the common sense, and you say 392 move to the candidates to say. I said, I'm going to Papa. Let us move someone now to go to the two and I want to know what you have. Did you take me now? And the last of the study, they used to the battle and the moving water. Papa, and then mention your apostle. This is to the people who are going to like it already. Sometimes you will say, oh, I'm not sure. Papa can be different. About the school, I know. Let's have it like this at summer. And then this is Madame, and to start with Papa. And then we
Okay, all right. Hello, good afternoon. Kind of unfortunately, we lost that one here a bit too far away. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Anyway. Yes, sir. Yeah, too. All right, that's it. Hello, good afternoon. Mr. Sadiq, here to you. Okay, all right. Yeah, fancy. Now, more friend, a lot of callers coming in, but yeah, very quite Islamic our time. Drew. Yes, also next week, you opportunity to pick a lot of calls. I'll find out word. Now, about honorable Babs or not in the final year too. Next week, you have chance here. A lot of the discussions.
Me did say you want just on call Edima, your tear for you now.
Okay.
Honorable Joshua Chiano.
Yeah, sorry. More I'm share on Facebook now. Tituni more I'm share outside Ghana no. Ya chiamu nyina ram ya sure say ye for bebrebe outside Ghana. Ya chiamu papa.
Echia paying for party supporters in Echia omo amanya mre so ati asafre abu contribution so omo so Echia na say wo MP a obetimi atworo nkrata se wo pe e-block na ebekọ aba na obi atimi asesa no ne kira na kira se ne e ka se wo kọ nkra wo mba ne chi no e no ti sa nipa no ye de ebibia ehye ne nsa se ya na ebekọ na ekire ansa na obeba se ahemfu nkodi ekire currently menkai amafo ya zongo sensem bi esori ye ya so wo asem na wie no afi na wo free ka ba ye se yensa enko organize microphone betna na enka mo asem ade nso anya aka ama yakoda IGP kura ase and am nu ka say ka no a IGP ba ya wa promise ne aba and then ka no aba krom ha enti na ne kura na ye ka say wo kwa wo ntwe ne kura nhwe ha wo kon wo so wo nya no
yemre no
enti
but maminya clarification be my information from a senior colleague right now also a journalist in town was sending the amame say Atebobo street lights na ne esi kwan no so no number 1 a municipal assembly no and na initiative enye MP na regional minister no number 2 say education kakra wa ma ye ne say those posts no ye dey come municipal assemblies not district assemblies enti Atebobo ye municipal that's why wanya post ni bi ye je district ye ntumi nya post ni bi and I think that is a year on the about okay wrong
sasem ne entro
okay
bupe enya municipal
okay
bupe e wo metal post
okay
won ko check
the same standard at Atebobo okay all right
ebru Atebobo okay enti
boy so obi okay all right
now somebody there
okay
you can say
okay
the energy minister sorry
mo de dade ade ni bi be ba na
yes answer na 2020 yes MPP any honorable you from Kwabokra
okay all right
because you be idea power minister Kakran Tinyan
okay all right thank you honorable Asieram
Mr. Asema ya can put it on records fatu records assembly and the MPP 4 years muna ya wuro street light ba ko yantimi ansi na obetina ha obo MP wo Atebo enu na clarification na aba no obi so sending me message from Atebo say district municipal assembly ni na yes and ni MP no and minister
yeah
enti ministre yembisa district assembly say honorable Joseph Kokwa say obaye sodium light ba ko kra no watimi akopri bia ba
all right
dia say kura watimi a repair premix ye dia jano
yeah baba honorable next week
dia honorable Dr. Kobna Donko obi a ye bone di ye honorable free wa doctor esaka ho PhD holder masters about 3 different masters 2 PhDs ye ne pa ko to ne ye the only MP in Ghana wanya akonya say oko UN summit twice in a year
all right that's honorable
president kura nya sa akonya
that's honorable
ana ayi ya no monyam ye mpa obi a obekọ no wakọ obi
Islamic Hour is next. That's the biggest platform. Next week, Nyamipa. Yabesha, mo amutia mi nyina wanyami shamo. Mo want to me amaso mo fanta me emredesa. But next week, God willing, krona drone kakra. You know sometimes competition is good. Yeah, quite Dr. Kabna don kwajina fa, honorable upon kwajina fa, we will development neba. Obi a person winning and so the development will come. They said you be to be chu obi o. Samira na wuchi obi a na wuchi obi anya yie. South Asia. Because you have hot moment. The fire mo was fire mo. Peace. Shalom. I'm saying Alaji Akasa. Alaji Akaba.
Yeah.
Alaji Islamic Hour Nadia na Modi Yako.
Oh, and that I am papa.
Okay.
And the Obia etinu ni radio eba alive kasa pidero so. And I'm saying, and they oko kromwa awarija yen e doso.
What is it?
Forcing complaints no doso. Eti one be special malam.
Okay.
One be kasa
special. And there's a malam. Who is the malam valua? She's a malam papa. Okay, all right. Eti malam baba. I have some cats here no. I want to tell you move them. I radio don't cost one. Peace. Shalom, Makamu, bye bye. Una baka uzakasa no. Kwa wa salamu alaykum.